Hey guys, it's MonkeyBoo and Happy. It's early in the morning and Happy says he's ready for some playtime. He wants to jump and swing. Release the Happy. You ready, Boo? Boo wants to play too. Go Happy. Oh, Happy, that's awesome. Well, you want to do a big jump? There it is. Do the big jump. That's not a big one. Go Happy. You guys are wide open. Go Happy. Go Boo. Go Happy. Oh boy, Happy. Happy's 1 year old. He's gonna do the big jump. Yay, Happy! Happy working the ladder nicely. Good job, Happy. Go. Shake my hand. Good job. You kiss? Oh, you're a good boy, Boo. You gonna give me a shoulder? Good boy, Boo. Alright guys, thanks for watching little MonkeyHappy. Come on, Happy. Oh, you guys did good. This is some fun playroom. You guys see little Happy starting to do some big jumps. It's time to move to some bigger obstacles, right guys? Alright, thanks for watching. Happy bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Keep giving kisses. Who's giving kisses? So everybody have a great day.